Hey guys, happy 2019. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a plan with me using the Cyber Monday kit from my shop. This kit is no longer available, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below and maybe I could bring it back for you guys if you guys are interested. So that is the kit that I'm using this week. I wasn't planning on my first video in 2019 being a plan with me video, but let me just say I have been so sick for the past week. It's been crazy. Basically, the last video you saw from me was our empty apartment tour. We moved in here like 2 days before Christmas, and then right after Christmas, we left to go to Disney World for New Year's. I didn't film anything in Disney because I just wanted to be in the moment and with the people that I love and not like have a camera in everybody's face. I just wanted just that moment, you know? So I didn't film anything. I got home. I worked on some sticker orders and stuff that I had to get done and prepped for a sale that started that Friday. And literally, you guys, I was going to film on that Friday and get videos ready, and I was pumped for 2019, and I got so sick. So I don't know if I have a cold or the flu or what is going on, but today is the 10th, and this is the first day in like a week that I've actually had energy. I've gotten a lot done today, but I still don't feel like 100%. So I just was like, you know what? A plan with me is pretty easy, and I can just do the voiceover and not use too much of my energy. So I hope you guys understand. I will be back with like my regular content, more behind the scenes of the shop stuff, and definitely more like Etsy and how to run your own business kind of videos. That's, I think, where I really want to take my channel, and I have lots of ideas. So if you subscribed for that content, don't worry, it is coming. I have lots of stuff planned. I just have been really sick and haven't been able to film. So anyway, that has been basically where I've been. So for the first part of this plan with me, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it's literally like nothing. On Monday, I marked that it was payday and that it was a sick day, and I pretty much slept all day. I did use a little grocery icon to note that James went to the store to buy soup for me. I did do the $2 Tuesday listings, but I did that from my phone in bed because I just couldn't get out of bed. And then we also watched Lost, so I figured I would mark that. On Tuesday, I used a half box and I marked $2 Tuesday. It was the first $2 Tuesday that I've ever done, and you know, I'm really excited, but I couldn't design anything new because I was sick. So I ended up just taking stuff that was already on the site and discounting it to $2. But next week, I'm hoping to have new stuff up for $2 Tuesday. And my plan is to release new stuff every $2 Tuesday, and then on Fridays as well. So then I put a little scallop label and a lazy day sticker because, again, it was just one of those days where I pretty much laid in bed all day because I was coughing up my lungs, basically. Might be TMI. Sorry, guys. And then I put a little binge watch sticker because I pretty much watched a lot of YouTube that day on my phone. And at the bottom of Tuesday, I put another TV label to mark that we watched Lost, and another grocery bag because James went to get more soup for me. You guys, that's all I've been eating for like a week. So on Wednesday, I had a little bit more energy. So I put a to-do list down, and I think I put that I tried to film. It didn't work out. I tried to film. And then I also printed some of my sticker orders, and I took down the $2 Tuesday listings. And then I put this little dish and dishwasher soap icon because James did the dishes for me. He's so sweet. And I also put that phone icon down. I had a massage scheduled for today, which is the 10th, on Thursday. But because I've been so sick, I don't want to give anybody this. So I was like, I just need to reschedule my massage, which really sucks because I could really use my massage, but I don't want to risk anybody else getting this mess. It's been awful. So, and then at the bottom of Wednesday, I put that we watched Lost because that is pretty much what we do every night. So today on the 10th, when I'm actually recording this voiceover and this plan with me, we had a bill due. We had a Verizon bill, which was already paid. I took Dixie for a short little walk this morning because I was like, oh my gosh, like fresh air. I can go out and walk again. And I know she's been cooped up because I've been sick. And so James has been taking her out when he gets off work, but I've basically been taking her out like just to go to the bathroom and then right back in. Like she's not been going on walks and stuff, and I feel terrible for that. So I took her on a walk, and then I did all of the open orders today. I'm so proud of myself. I had quite a few because I was in a sale this past weekend, but I've not been able to do them because I've been sick. So it kind of piled up on me, but I got them all done today. And then I also filmed this plan with me video. So I marked that as well. And later today, I will be taking everything to the post office. So I put a little mailer down there to note that, and then I put a little TV label because I'm gonna watch Lost. I can't talk. I actually have a new show that comes out today that I really want to watch. It's called Fam, I think. It has Nina Dobrev in it, which is why I really want to watch it. I've been a fan of hers since Degrassi, which is like a really long time ago, but then I also loved her in Vampire Diaries. So when I found out she was in a new show, I was like, oh, I want to watch it. And then I watched the trailer for it, and it looks really good. So I was like, I need to watch this. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I don't completely know what I have planned just because I don't know what I'm going to feel like doing. But I'm hoping for the best. So for Friday, I obviously marked that it's Friday. And my goal is to clean the apartment. I just want to clean the sickness out of here. You know how like after you've been sick and you just want to clean everything? That's how I feel. Like I just want to get it clean. I want to get rid of this nasty whatever is in my apartment from me being sick. So I want to clean a bunch, and I want to take Dixie on another walk because, it's important to get our fresh air. And then I really want to go see the movie Second Act. We were going to go see it last Friday, but well, you already know I was sick, so that didn't happen. So I want to go see it. My mom and dad saw it last night, and they said it was really good, so I really want to go see it. And then I also want to do some designing. I was going to have new releases on Friday, but I ended up pushing that back because I have some stuff designed, but I don't have everything ready. I didn't want to feel rushed. And I was like, you know what? I've just been sick, so I'm going to kind of take it easy and not put up new releases this week. So new releases will be back next week. So Saturday and Sunday, we're supposed to get some snow, I think, on Saturday. I hope we don't get a lot, but so my Sunday plans may not happen depending on what happens with the weather. But Saturday, I want to sleep in because it's Saturday. And then I also really want to go to IKEA because I need a couple of like desk pieces to finish out my office space. So I want to go. We were going to try to go last weekend. Yeah, nothing went according to plans last week. So I put down a half box sticker to note that I want to go to IKEA. And then on Sunday, I put my little Starbucks cup to mark that we go to Starbucks, and then we go to church. But like I said, if it snows too much, that may not happen. So we'll see what actually ends up happening. So I'm moving on to my sidebar. I'm putting 3 habit trackers. I'm going to mark it for reading my Bible, taking my vitamins, and going like for a walk or like just being more active. I really want to start, I don't want to say working out, but I want to be more active. Because I feel like if I say working out, I'm going to hate it. But if I say like I'm going to go on a walk, like I'm still getting my exercise in. I know it's not like as crazy as like a hardcore workout, but at least I'm doing something. So yeah, so I'm going to say like I want to be more active. And then I put down a to cleaning list because like I said, hardcore cleaning happening tomorrow. And then I put down a little half box at the bottom to note that I hit 4,000 subscribers. I actually hit it last night, so on Wednesday, the 9th. and that was a huge deal for me. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to see more videos from me. Like I said, a ton of new content's coming for 2019, lots of Etsy stuff and like business related stuff. So make sure you subscribe if you're interested in that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.